Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I'm doing this eyeshadow makeup look using the, the BH Cosmetics Naughty Ho Ho Holidays eyeshadow palette. And the inspiration of this makeup look I'm creating today is Snow Day, so I'm calling this the Snow Day makeup look. But yeah, I'm first starting off with the Believe Beauty eyeshadow, Lock It In eyeshadow primer, and this is in the color Universal. And I will be using a different shade of eyeshadow primer later on when I do that icy color. But yeah, you can just see me using the doe foot, and I'm being very generous with this stuff. I use a lot. I dip into this Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer 3 times. I do like the lower lash line and then the upper lash line, and I kind of just connect the two. And later on I'll make my eye shape, so it doesn't have to stay this eye shape I create. This is a new brush I picked up, newer. I've had it for like a little while now, but I've been using it off camera about a month now. But this is the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator. I will say the first week of using it is the best, but like I've said, I used this a month now, and I'm still using it. I need to clean it though and start over. Now I'm going in with that Ho Ho Holidays eyeshadow palette you just saw me dabble into, and this is the color Mulled, is the first color I'm going to be using for an, what do you call this, a base color? Yeah. But yeah, the brush I'm using to pack on this eyeshadow at first is the Mekka eyeshadow brush. It's like a flat brush, kind of flat shader brush, I guess. And then later on I'll be using a different brush from that same brand. But yeah, you can just see me packing it on. I'm making that fake cut crease, and then, you know, doing the outside corner with that same Mulled color. But then I'm going in with the, what is this called? I know it's the Mekka eyeshadow brush, but I believe it's just like a blender brush. But yeah, it's just a clean one that I already had clean in my pile of makeup brushes. And I'm just doing little circular motions, little back and forth motions until I got my desired look and blend that I want from that color. I'm going in with that Believe Beauty Lock It In eyeshadow primer, but this one is in translucent. It's just a wider shade, that way I can put that on where I want this, what is it called again, Snow Day eyeshadow shade? Yeah, from that Naughty palette, just to give it a more wider base. finally got the desired like eyeshadow line I want with that eyeshadow base. I'm going in with that Snow Day eyeshadow shade out of the BH Cosmetics Ho Ho Holidays Naughty eyeshadow palette, and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eyes where we had that base, and I'm using my finger just so it'll be more pigmented. But if you have a flat shader brush handy, go ahead and use that. I do believe it's more pigmented in using your fingers, and I wanted it more pigmented than precise, so that was just the best bet for me. But if you want yours more precise and really don't care about the pigment part, then use your flat shader brush. That I'm going in with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just marrying those two colors as much as I can before doing my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in the color black, and this is a waterproof eyeliner. Want to mention this and kind of hop it up. What is this called? Uoma? I don't know. Shit. Anyway, it is a foundation I picked up from Walmart. I want to say it was like 10 bucks. It's Cali. uoma by Sharon C. Beauty. Ready for my close-up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I really love this. This is the shade, what is this, Fair Lady T5. I do think I need to get a shade darker than that just because we're working outside so much. But it's like the perfect foundation I've been using here lately. And then I'm also using my Mekka by Mekka powder. What is this called? Soft Focus Ultra Fun Smooth Powder that Ida sent me a while back now. I like to go under the eyes with that big Makeup Mekka brush that she sent me. It's just like a quite perfect brush to go under the eyes, and then I use the fluffier brush from that same brush set she gave me to do the rest of my powder. Now you see me going in with my tried and true, I swear, Joah brow products is the best eyebrow products I have ever used, and I've tried a few. But this is the Joah Brow Down to Me Duo Brow Pencil and Gel. This is a thicker pencil, so if you don't like those thick brows like I do, you might not like it. But hey, I love all their products. Their Precision one's nice. I've tried all of their brow products, maybe not in different colors, but I have tried at least one of every style of brow product that they have. Now I'm going in with that same mulled color under the eyelashes, or the what do you call it? Eyeline? Oh shit. Lower lash line? Nah, yeah, that. And I'm using more of a packer brush at first, and then I'm using the blended out brush that's clean. And I had to go back to this They're Off Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extended Mascara. It's one of my I'm dropping shit. Okay, It's one of my favorite mascaras. I need to actually buy a backup because I can tell it's trying to give out on me. But I'm trying not to let it. I'm trying to get my money's worth because it is a tad bit expensive, but it is much better than a lot of mascaras I have tried in the past. I just love it so much. Another tried and true is the Smashbox, the Cali Contour palette. I am using this shimmer highlight color that you see right here, and you can tell this is an O palette and I really love it. I even smashed that highlight color, which ain't really a highlight, but I smashed it out not too long ago. It's actually still on my floor, but I need to clean my room. I love this highlight shade, but especially when you want to bronze up, but you don't want to bronze up too much because it's winter time, and you just want like that glow. It's just perfect. I love it so much. And then what am I using next? Oh, the Milani lip liner. And where is that on my table? I really need to clean my table. Here it is. It is the Ultimate or Understatement lip liner in the color 150 Cinnamon Statement. I must say this is my favorite shade out of all of the lip liners I got. I think I got every single one of those shades when they first came out, I think. I think I have actually a video of me using all of them. But here's another product that Ida sent me is the Isadora Twist Up Gloss Stick Moisturizing Lip Filler, and this is in the shade 02 Biscuit. And then I'm going to finish off the look with the LA Girl Shimmer Spray Finishing Spray for face and body to just finish up the look. And yeah, I hope you liked this snowy day eyeshadow look. Please let me know if you have any recommendations in the comments below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!